We'll guide you through how to manage notifications in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Gmail account on your computer and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the Settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to access the full settings page. Next, go to the General tab and scroll down until you find the Desktop Notifications section. Here, you can choose between three options: New Mail Notifications On, Important Mail Notifications On, or Mail Notifications Off. If you want to receive notifications for all incoming emails, select New Mail Notifications On. If you prefer to be notified only for emails marked as important, choose Important Mail Notifications On. If you want to turn off notifications entirely, select Mail Notifications Off. After making your selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to ensure your preferences are applied. If you're using a browser like Chrome, you might need to allow notifications for Gmail in your browser settings too. Just click the padlock icon in the address bar, find the Notifications section, and make sure it's set to Allow. This step ensures that Gmail can send notifications through your web browser. Managing your Gmail notifications can help you stay on top of important emails without getting overwhelmed by constant alerts. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.